Good morning.
Take out your GK book first. The 10 and 11th chapter. This exercise I will do today. Okay. Okay. Now just look. Yesterday already I completed 4. Right? Look at this. All of you are able to see the screen. If you can't see if it is hazy, you think that you feel that this one is hazy, we can't see it properly, even you have the book, huh? Page number 14, you have to just open, huh? Now just look. Okay, from first one again I am doing, huh? The first one already done yesterday. Olfactory nerve endings are related to which part? I told you it will be nose, right? So just write the answer nose. Already I think you have written nose. It is already done yesterday, right? I told you the answer yesterday. Yes or no? Shake your head if yes. No. Acha, those who are absent, even those who are saying no, just write, mark it in the book. Mark it by pencil in the book. Now the second one, look. The second one, who has more number of teeth? Already I explained yesterday that for an adult, there are 16 and 16, total 32. Okay, and for a newborn baby, basically for a normal baby, there are 20, 10, 10. Upper 10, lower 10. Okay, and look, for old person, basically they don't have all the teeth, no? When we get old, at our old age, we even don't have all the teeth, no? It breaks or it damaged in such way, right? So what will be the answer? For the first one, it is nose. For the second one, it is an adult. Already I explained yesterday. For the third one, the major digestion and absorption of nutrients take place in the, I told you, small intestine. Yes, yesterday you have written small intestine. Now the fourth one, which internal organ pumps oxygen rich blood throughout the body and oxygen poor blood to the lungs? Oxygen rich blood throughout the body, right? And oxygen poor blood to the lungs. Yes? Which one? Already yesterday I explained. Heart. Okay, just mark those who have not marked yesterday. Just mark it. Heart. Heart, okay? Now the next one. Why does our nose run when we cry? Basically, when we cry, then our nose also is running. Now it gets blocked, or sometimes water drops from air also, right? In this way, nose is also running. Yes or no? What is the actual reason? Just look at this. What are the Sheikh Arhan? Don't put your pencil in the nose, huh? Okay. Acha, now just look. The first point is given, tear ducts drain into the back of the nose. Then tear ducts and the nasal cavity gets the same message from the brain. No, this one is not. The first one is correct. Okay. Tear gets drain into the back of the nose. Okay. So what will be the third one is given? None of this. What will be the answer? Basically, tear ducts drain into the back of the nose. There is a drain, there is a path, okay, there. That's why basically it gets blocked, understood, so by tears, and tears is dropping, okay. Now just what will be the answer? The first one. Okay, this first one. Just do it first. Completed. Now the next one. Look, the sixth one. When the oxygen level in our body falls down, okay, that means the oxygen level decrease in our body and the carbon dioxide level goes high. It is becoming high. It is increasing in our body, right? What happens at that moment, right? What happens? Look, cough, sneeze, yawn. What does yawn means? Cough means all of you know. Sneeze means basically hachi, this type of thing. Yawn means basically when we get bored, tired, or there is a lack of oxygen. In Bengali, we can say hi tola, just like this. Okay, exactly that word. Understood? So now that means, look at this. What will be the correct answer? Basically, when oxygen level fall and carbon dioxide levels high or goes up, then it is yawning. Okay, that is yawn. Just write the answer. All of you done this? Shaud Laskar, are you doing anything or not? Just usually sit properly. This is your class. Okay, a period is going on over there. Yes, sit properly. Good. Achha, now just next one. Look at the next one. The skeleton and smooth are types of these what? Bones, heart, muscles. Okay, what will be the answer? Basically, these are the muscles. Okay, the answer is muscles. This is the answer. Just let me take a screenshot. Oh, don't worry, I'll upload this in the school website also. Okay. All of you completed? If completed, then show me your book first. Is there any doubt? Vivo S1 Pro. Vivo S1 Pro, just rename yourself and unmute yourself and tell me your name. If you don't put your name properly, I can't even give the attendance. After that, you will message in the chat box, ma'am, you marked me absent. Okay. So just rename yourself. Rename yourself first. Achha, one more thing I need to announce about PTM. Okay. All the parents are there. Achha, let me first. Now the next. Look at this. Read the clues and encircle the names of internal organs in the grid using utility box. Just look at this. All of you are able to see it? There is a utility. There is an utility box. Look at this. Here some words are given. Brain, heart, stomach, lungs, kidney, bones, food pipe and liver. Okay. This some words are given in this utility box. We have to utilize this. Okay. How? Read the clues and encircle the name of the internal organs. Okay. Wow. Where are the clues? Just look at this. First clue, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Total, there are 8 clues over there. So we have to, and look in the utility box, 8 words are also over. Brain, heart, stomach, lungs, kidney, bone, food pipe, and liver. Yes? Understood? So basically, what to do with this? we have to read the first one, first clue. Okay, listen to me very carefully, huh? We have to read the first clue at first. After that, we have to understand the meaning of this first statement. Then we have to look at this utility box. Okay, what is related with that statement basically? What will be the answer? The answer is in the utility box. Okay, first statement we will read. After that, from this utility box, we will find the answer which is basically matching with this first statement. Okay, and only here the answer is not done. Here it is not done. Now one more thing we have to do after finding out the answer. Okay, suppose for the first one, suppose the answer is stomach. We have got stomach for the first one. Okay, I have not read it. Don't worry, I'll read and explain each and every statement, but just how to do and what to do, try to understand this. Huh? Suppose for the first one, stomach is the answer, correct answer. Then look, there is a puzzle box. From this, you have to encircle it. In this grid, you have to encircle. Suppose stomach, I told for the first answer. Now you have to find where the stomach is written in this grid, in this box, puzzle box. Where the stomach is written. Now just look, find. If we find where the stomach is written over there, look here, just let me clear it. Huh? Just you have to find, look at this, stomach. In this way, you have to encircle. Now it is clear. Look, you have to find the answer from this grid. All of you, it is clear. So if yes, then just show me your hands in front of the camera, not that hand raise sticker. Show me your hands in front of the camera if you understood how to do it and what to do. Okay, okay, good. Now just look at this. The first one I am reading, huh? The first one, just look. It is given, look at your book. Huh? If this one is hazy, the screen, then look at your book. Huh? It is one of the largest organs and starting points of the digestive system. It is the starting point of digestive system and the largest organ. Basically, what is the answer? Look at the utility box. Brains are there, heart, stomach. It will be stomach, right? Yes, so just write the answer. Basically, in the book, by using the pencil, okay, by using pencil, just put over there, just wait, huh? Encircle it. Done? Achha, I am just highlighting, you have to encircle it in this way, okay? Completed though? Just I am highlighting it, okay? Now how to write? Sorry. Now, how to remember that one is first one? Just look. By pencil, if there is any space, then write it beside the statement. Here, just write stomach. Or you can write over there in this. Look, here it is stomach given, so just mark it by 1. Look. In this way. Understood? In this way, mark it. Clear though? Just look at this. Here it is stomach, so in this way, just mark it. 1. All of you, this one clear to all of you? Okay. Now just look at this. Acha, just I am covering. This one is 1. Stomach. First one is stomach. Okay, just mark it. Now the second one, look. Second one I am going to explain. It is considered as the biggest organ in the body. Okay. It is considered as the biggest one organ in the body, and it is located on the right hand side above the stomach. It is rotated, or it is located at the right hand side of the stomach. Definitely it is liver. Just you can look at this, huh? And in science already you have learned, no? So what will be the answer? It is liver. Okay. The second one, liver. Here it is liver. Yes. This one, the second one. Okay, liver. Look, I am just find where is liver. Look here. Yes, Tom. This one is liver. Look at this. First, second, third, fourth. Fourth row. Fourth row. Look, it is liver. Okay. Fourth row, it is liver. Achha, now here also I am writing one. Stomach. Also I am writing the answer. Huh? Sorry, stomach. Number 2, liver. Number 3, just look at this. Number 3 we are doing, huh? Number 3, this is the primary organ of the blood circulation system. This is the primary organ of the blood circulation system. Okay. Now just look after that, what is written over there? It is one of the organ on the left side of the body. What will be? This all you know. Primary organ of the blood circulation system, and it is on the left side, okay, of our body. Definitely what will be the answer? Heart. Yes or no? Shake your head if yes. Yes, good. So just write over there. Now you have to find where is heart in this grid box, right? In this grid box, where is heart? You have to find, right? Just find it out. Where is heart? Look at the, look, first, second, third, fourth, fifth column. Look at fifth column. Have you find out this? I'll mark it. Just wait, huh? Look at this. Heart. Got it? All of you got? Mark it by pencil. Okay, done to? Just mark it by pencil. Now the next one, okay? The fourth one. Acha, wait. Now the fourth one, just look at this. These are the major organs of respiration. In respiration, it is a major organ, okay? And the next statement is read. They help in taking of oxygen-rich air from the atmosphere into the body and give out carbon dioxide. Basically, from the air, usually it takes the oxygen and give the carbon dioxide, okay, from our body, removed. That means which one? Definitely, just I'll say the answer. Is it correct or not? You will say, huh? Is it correct or not? You will say lungs. Yes or no? Lungs will be the correct answer. Yes or no? Ishika? Yes. Bonusri? Yes, good. Okay. Sheikh Irfan also. Okay, just write. And where lungs is in the grid box, you have to, in that puzzle box, where is it? Just find it. Look, I have got it. Have you? I'll show you. Yes, good. Huh? Okay, Bonusri, good. Now just look. This one, right? Done, Tom? Okay. Done. Now the next one, number 5th one. Now the fifth one, okay? This is the master organ. Basically, master organ means what? Definitely it must be brain. Master organ means this is brain, okay? Now also read the other part of our master organ of the body. All the system organs of human body are under its control. Basically, brain controls, okay? So what will be the answer of fifth one? Brains. Where is brain written? Look here, right? So just write brain over there for the fifth one. And now the duty is to find out that in grid, right? Where is it? Look at this. Seventh row. Look at this brain. This seventh row. Got it? BRAIN. Got it, all of you? Do it first. Seventh row. Look at this. Here. Now I'll read sixth one. Sixth one. So these are bin shaped. So bin shaped means in this, by this word you can understand. Bin shaped. Which one is bin shaped? In science you learn kidney, na? Even no need to read the other part. Just but you have to read. Just look. I am reading the other part also. It is bin shaped. Brownish. Definitely brownish. Okay. The color is brownish. Yes. Even you can look at the figure. Okay. Now just look. Brownish organ located at two sides of the human body. Yes, so now just look at this. A pair of them is located on the dorsal, that is back side, okay? Dorsal, that is back side, okay? With each located in either side. Either side means either this one or this one, okay? Left, right, okay? Of which one? Of the vertebral column, okay? To the both side. Understood? So here one, here one. You can even look at the figure also. Understood to all of you? Is it clear? Just shake your head or show me your hand if it is clear. Okay, good. So the sixth one will be definitely kidney. Write kidney over there. And we have to now find which one is kidney. Okay, kidney. It is E, huh? Okay. Acha, now just look. We have to find out. Have you got kidney? Where is kidney? Last row, right? In the last row, you can find out in the last row. Look at the last row. All of you look at the last. Look, this one. Yes, so. Yes, very good. Okay, good. Huh? Okay, Ishika, okay. Oishani, Ovipcha, Aiza, are you doing to Anjum? Huh, okay, good. Okay. Now I am reading the next one, okay? Look, here I'll write number 7 answer and number 8 answer, huh? Now just look at this. Look at this. Number 7, I'm reading, huh? It is an organ in the upper digestive tract which links the throat to the stomach. Basically in the upper digestive tract, and it basically connects the throat to the stomach. Okay? Throat means what? You know, to the throat, it connects with the stomach, right? Throat, gola. Okay? Now it is done. So now what will be the answer? Acha, how many are remaining? Look, only food pipe and bone. Definitely bone will not be the answer. Food pipe. That's why when we eat something through this food pipe, it goes to the stomach. Okay, understood? So now just seventh one is food pipe. Just write food pipe over there. Where food pipe? Now you have to find. Now you have to Find where the food pipe is. Look at the eighth column. Look at the eighth column. Look. Got it? Look. Done, Tom. Food pipe you have got. Now the eighth one. Look at the eighth one. These are the most important parts of organs of our body. These parts give the shape and structure support to our body. Definitely bones. Bones gives us for the shape and structure of our body. Yes. So number 8 answer will be bones or bone. Yes. Where is bone? Just we have to now find out. Look at sixth column. Sixth column, just leave one box. Okay, leave this C. Then look, this one is bone given. Now just leave C and mark it by pencil, bone. Okay, all of you done this? Completed too? Don't worry, it will also be uploaded in the school website. Now, if you have any doubt, any queries, then I am going to unmute all of you. Okay, Bonusri completed. Oishani, Ovipisha completed. Nayar, Farzana, Ashia. Okay, just all of you just show me your book and I am going to unmute. If you have any doubt, okay,